Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to delete captions on posts in Instagram. Alright, let's begin by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, take a look on the bottom row. Do you see where there's the little home icon? All the way to the right of that, there's a little person icon. Go ahead and tap on that. And that will turn black, as you can see right there. Now, if I want to delete a caption on a particular post, let's say I'll do it for my very first picture, and I want to delete this caption called Dr. Evil 2. To delete this caption, I'll go, you see the upper right corner? You see those little dots? Those little three dots? Tap on those three little dots. Okay, and then tap on where it says edit. And then from here, it takes me to the caption, and I can just go there and erase it on my phone. After I'm finishing erasing, look on the upper right corner, tap on where it says done. And there you go, I've deleted this caption. It's pretty easy and simple, but if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.